The YouTube Create app lets you easily edit videos and shorts right from your phone. No matter how simple or complex your ideas are, YouTube Create lets you bring them to life completely free of charge. Now, let's walk through how to create and edit projects. When you first open YouTube Create, you can tap the plus button to start a new project. Here, you'll see your device's videos and photos. You can sort by tapping Gallery and choosing a specific folder. To import a clip, tap it, then tap Import. Before you start editing, you can choose your project's orientation by tapping the three-dot menu, then aspect ratio. You can change this at any point during the editing process. YouTube Create supports 16:9 for videos and 9:16 for shorts. The footage you chose will be added to the editing timeline. This is where you can make edits, add new clips, and preview your work. YouTube Create gives you the full editing suite right at your fingertips. You can adjust the duration of your clip by dragging the handles on either side, or split it into 2 clips by tapping the scissor icon. This is also where you'll find filters, effects, adjustment tools, and the speed adjustment tool. If the audio in your clip has a lot of background noise, you can use the audio cleanup feature to make the voice in the audio clearer. You'll also find tools like rotate, replace, rearrange, delete, and duplicate. To add transitions, look for the transition icon on either side of the clip. Tapping this opens a menu of different transitions to choose from. You can add more clips to the timeline at any time by tapping the plus button. If you're making a short, look out for the shorts icon at the 1-minute mark, which lets you know when you've reached the max amount of time allowed for a short. Next, let's talk about how to add sounds and voiceover to your project. To add music or sound effects, make sure you don't have any clips selected and tap Sound. Here, you can access the YouTube audio library to add the perfect soundtrack to your video or short. These tracks are free of charge and copyright safe when used on YouTube. Using them won't result in a content ID claim or affect monetization status. You can search for specific songs and effects, or use the Music and Sound Effects tabs to browse options or filter by genres. If you have your own audio saved on your device, you can upload it under the Your Music tab. Make sure you're only using music and sounds you have rights to use, or else you could get a copyright strike or content ID claim when you upload your project to YouTube. You can use the Find Beats feature, which will show you where the main beats of the track are. This helps you sync your clips to your music and sound effects by giving you a visual guide. You can also record voiceover for your project. To add voiceover, make sure you don't have any clip selected and tap Voiceover. From here, a record button will appear. Tap to record your voiceover, then tap it again to stop recording. Once you're finished recording, tap Done. Music, sounds, and voiceovers that you've added will show up below your footage in the timeline. When you tap on the audio element, you can adjust the duration using the handles on either side of the clip, split, adjust the volume, and create a fade in or out. Now let's talk about some features to help you elevate your videos and create engaging content that your audiences will love. YouTube Create supports picture-in-picture or overlay. This lets you add pictures and videos on top of other clips. To use this feature, tap Overlay. Select the clips you want and tap Import. Media added through Overlay will be stacked above the clips you previously imported. The order of the layers is the same as how they'll appear in the video or short. To rearrange their order, tap the layer stack, then tap and drag the element you want to move. You can pinch the media in the project preview to resize and move where it shows up on your project. Elements like text, stickers, and captions add visual interest and may help make your content accessible to more viewers. You can add text and customize the font and animation. Text Effects gives you a library of pre-stylized animated fonts to choose from. Under Stickers, you can find icons, GIFs, and emojis. If you want to add captions, tap the captions icon, then select your audio source and language. Then tap Generate. The caption track will be automatically added to the timeline. You can even customize the font and animation by tapping on the clip and choosing Style. Once you've made all your edits and you're ready to export, tap the three-dot menu, then Export. Choose which quality you like, then tap Export. Your project will automatically be downloaded to your device, and once the export is complete, you'll have the option to upload it directly to YouTube or share it. Next time you open the YouTube Create app, you'll see all your recent projects and can edit them at any time. To rename, duplicate, or delete a project, tap the three-dot menu next to the title. You can create new projects by tapping the plus sign.
Aviso no final do vídeo, o aplicativo ainda não está disponível para criadores brasileiros. Se você for na Play Store, o aplicativo ainda não está disponível para nosso país. Mas calma, tivemos acesso ao aplicativo, e vamos explicar mais sobre ele no próximo vídeo. Se inscreve no canal e nos ajude a chegar nos primeiros 1000 inscritos. Bem gente, por hoje é só. Eu sou o Log e como diria minha prima distante.
Thanks for watching.